boys and girls, it's DeeNice, and I am here today to do a fun collage activity. Collage. I first need a bunch of magazines, and I'm going to cut things out. You say, cut things out for what? Because I want to be like Ricky Joe. Where would you like to go? It's time for us to do a little bit of traveling. Even if we're doing it just in our dreams, it's time to get out and start having a little more excitement in our lives. So, what exciting things would I like to do? Well, what I did was cut out some of the pictures in this magazine, and then I said I'm going to use them to put my collage together. So, of course, I cleaned up everything, but look what I found. Yeah, you know what this says? This says, I want to go to the zoo. Come on, it's time to get out there and enjoy some of the public sites that we've been, unfortunately, not able to visit. So, I'm dreaming of visiting a zoo. Where do you want to go, DeeNice? I want to go to a zoo. Then I found this. This is a play. I love plays, either local or at some of your major cities. There are plays that you really would love to go visit. I want to go there. Where do you want to go, DeeNice? I want to go see a play. You know what this one says? This one says, I want to go to a restaurant. I want to order lots of food, sit at the table at the restaurant, and really finally get out and enjoy myself in the public restaurants that I have not been to in a long time. How about a vacation? Orlando, Disney. I'd like to go to Disney, and I could play some miniature golf, or I could go to Universal, or I could go to Disneyland, just anywhere. Now, you know where else? I was thinking, wouldn't it be nice to have a sleepover, right? You guys haven't had a sleepover in forever, some of you. We're being so careful, COVID, so maybe it's time to start dreaming about sleepovers. Or wait a minute, even more. Maybe it's more exciting to think about how you can get together with your entire family. Finally be around them to hug and kiss and sit on their lap and tell them how much you miss being near them. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Oh, how about just a play date? Some of us haven't been able to have any play dates. Where would I like to go? I'd like to go on a play date. Anybody want to come with me? And I think I have room for maybe one more. Oh, the movies. Do you like movie theaters? I do too. I haven't been to one in a long, long time. Let's go to the movies. Where do you want to go? You tell me. You can make this collage all on your own. All you need to do is now get some glue, put it on the back of your pictures of where you want to go, and place it anywhere you want. Just make your own beautiful decorative design on any piece of paper, any color, and let me know where you are missing to go and where you want to be going. And I hope you enjoyed this. Isn't this simple? I know you have magazines, I know you have scissors, I know you have glue, I know you have a piece of paper. Let's make a where do you want to go collage. Great. Thanks for joining me. This was fun. And you know what to do. Share, subscribe, like, because we like that you like us, and we have got much, much more to give to you that you're going to enjoy. So, have a play date with me, and I'll see you real soon. Bye. DeeNice says, do something nice.
Mimi's message, put a smile on someone's face today.
Friend shake.
Ooh, boom, boom. Air high five, spin, shake. See you soon.